One of the questions that comes up is where to locate a warehouse. And so there's many different methods, many different formulas. We're going to show you one here called center of gravity. So you see in our picture here, we've got location A, location B, location C. And so what's the center point? Maybe we might say something like right here perhaps, somewhere in the middle. However, if you notice in my example here, that didn't take into account that we got various shipment weights. So we may want to look at weighting it or centering it or seeing what the pull of gravity is based on the volumes. And you can do it by dollars or other things, whatever. So let's look at we'll do this by volumes. We're going to look at the x coordinate, and we're going to take the 3 times 6,000 plus the 6 times 5,000 plus the 9 times the 10,000. And that's going to give us the volume total, if you want to call it, for that for the x, kind of which way does it shift. And we're going to divide that by the total weight of 21,000. We're going to do the same thing for the y coordinate. Now we're going to take 3 times 6,000. So we're doing this 3. We're doing 5 times 5,000 plus 2 times 10,000. And we're going to divide that by 21,000. So if we do up on top here, we get 18,000 plus 30,000 plus 90,000. So that gives us, let's see, 90 plus 30 is 120,000 plus 18 is 138,000. And it's got to be divided by 21,000. Let me grab my calculator real fast here, and we'll take 138,000 divided by 21,000, and I get 6.6. Okay? If I do it for y, I get 18,000 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 divided by 21,000 again, which is, 20 plus 25 is 45,000. 63,000 divided by 21,000. So 63 divided by 21 gives us 3. So my weighted coordinates on the x-axis, it is roughly 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.6. So it's about right here. And 3 on the other one. So it's actually about right here instead of right here. So this is a center of gravity based on volumes. Now again, you could do it based on dollars, time, whatever characteristics you wanted to. This one we just did on volume. And so that would be the center, not geographically, but weighted based on volumes. Now then we got to look at the location, because is that a legitimate place to put up a warehouse or distribution center, because we don't know what the road access is, the land, is it mountains, could be over water. So we've got to look at it and modify accordingly. But that's the center of gravity method.